Nowadays, SEO is not enough to make our website enough optimized. That's why we need to make it as more accessible as possible. So let's not lose time and see how we can do that together. For these purposes, we are going to use Accessibly. And now let's see what it offers. Let's scroll a bit down and here you can see their main features. So Accessibly will help you make your site more readable. It will enlarge the content, the cursor, or add bigger text for your website visitors. It can adjust the colors, change the brightness, contrast, and grayscale to make the important messages on your website more visible to your visitors. And it has a fast installation and setup process. It basically helps users, and it has a great feature that offers text to voice functionality. So if your users are struggling with reading your website information, then they can choose this option and make the text to voices. Okay, and here you can see the platforms that Accessibly supports, and here you can see so many famous platforms: Shopify, Wordpress, Squarespace, Magento, Elementor, Wix, HubSpot. So it basically works wherever you do. That's great. Okay, so let's now start our 7-day free trial and test these features in action. Let's click on this. And here, after successfully signing up or logging in, you will head to your second step, which is the website URL. Simply paste it here, agree, and next. Okay, now it's the widget color option, so you can match it with the look and feel of your brand, of your logo, of your website. And I think this coloring suits, but still you are free to change it easily. And you can see the code here. Next. And this is the widget position. I think putting it here, if you do not have, for example, a social chat button, then putting it here would be great. But I think here it's more or less visible. So let's put it here and click on next. And now we can go to dashboard. So if you click on this, you can see the dashboard appear right on your web. Alternatively, you can head to your WordPress dashboard and you can see the same dashboard within your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so let's move on from here now. And let's first head to features. The first thing that caught my attention was this live preview option here. So basically, when you enable and disable the features here, you can see them appear right here and you will have a grasp of how it will look like on your website. And another thing is that this has a very easy to use dashboard. You simply enable and disable these buttons and they appear right here. Okay, so there are some great features that I would like to focus on, such as this bigger text. So it can increase the text size up to thrice than its original size for enhanced readability. So we're definitely keeping this one. And you can enlarge the cursor for easier navigation across your website. Again, keeping this. You can choose this line height option to adjust the spacing between the lines of your text. Another great one is this contrast feature. So it modifies the contrast of the images and it caters to different visual requirements. Keeping this one as well. The brightness, the grayscale, again, for the same purposes, to make it more to the point so that your users see what's important and what meets their visual requirements. The saturation, you can see the readable fonts, the tooltips, the hiding images option. They can choose to hide all the images for less distracting reading experience, for example. Then let's say this is enough. Don't forget to update it. Okay, and once you're done with this, let's head to our site. And here you can see it's where we have put it. And when your users click this, they can do this. Okay, the different tooltips that you have. We can hide the images. We can choose the brightness, the contrast. Again, this is really cool. from the user's perspective. And here you can see the ones that are already activated, they also have a changed color. So your users see which one they've activated, which one is deactivated, and they can reset the settings right here and it will go back to the initial visual form. Now, if you go to settings and then head to general, you can configure the coloring as we've already done before. But if you want to change it, you're free to do so. Simply click on this, choose the branding color, and click on this to change the widget icon's color when hovering over them. So here, this color. Simply choose the one that best matches your website. And here are a couple features that you can again enable or disable, such as showing or not showing the Accessibly app logo or the hide forever button for the users that do not need, for example, accessibility features. And a great one, which is this automatically generation of alt text. So you know that writing alt text is not only for SEO optimization purposes, but also for those who cannot see, for example, the images. They can read the description and have a general idea of what the image is. So we can definitely enable this feature and let the AI do all the work. So all the images that do not have alt text or text on our website, they can be automatically written by Accessibly. That's a great feature. And again, don't forget to update your widget and you're good to go. Well, that's it about Accessibly, the plugin that will help you make your website more optimized for your users. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time and have a nice day. Bye bye.